In this video, I want to show you how I'm using the Waddah Attar Explosion on Renko charts. This is a NINZA Renko chart, brick size of 16, trend threshold of 4. I've also got the volume delta indicator on this chart, showing me when there is strong areas of positive delta and negative delta. And I've got it printing these dollar signs as markers. All of NINZA's indicators have markers that are completely customizable. You can make them say or show whatever you like. I've also got the innovative ordering buttons set up to just take market orders. And I've got the end of bar ordering tool. I've disabled a lot of the features on this, making it a very simple buy an up candle or sell a down candle. You can choose your quantity here. Then there's a cancel the order and close the trade. And I can move this around anywhere on the chart. So the Waddah Attar is painting these candles green and red. It's also printing these red and green reversal squares. And I'll show you how I trade this. It's not just taking a trade when a reversal square appears. I'm trading this mainly with the histogram. So in this particular long move, our histogram makes it up pretty high. I'm looking at the previous moves. Once this long move gets above all the previous short moves on the Waddah Attar histogram, I'm looking to possibly go long. So right here we get above all the previous histograms. That was at 17,833, and we came up almost 20 points there. So we get a short move, but the short move is not as powerful as this previous long move. The histogram does not go up as high or as strong as this previous long move. Over here, this short move, now we start to get above the previous long move. It's a stronger move. Right here on this candle, 17,841, comes down over 30 points right there. This long move not as strong. Now our long move is getting stronger than the previous short move on this histogram, and we make a move higher. We've got a volume delta signal to the upside during this move. Candles are still green. We have a nice move up there. We got some negative delta coming in here, but we're still in this up move. Histogram is still green, and the short move right after, the histogram was very weak. It's not overpowering any of these previous long moves. Even here, we still have not taken out the strength of the histogram from this previous long move. A little bit later on in the morning, you can see as we're traveling up, our long moves are not as strong as some of the short moves on the histogram. Here we get some strong negative delta coming into the market. We've got our dollar sign signal. We've got this darker color of red popping out on the volume delta histogram. Our Waddah Attar histogram is overpowering the previous two long moves here, and we get a nice move down. Here we see our short moves are decreasing in strength, and here the histogram on this up move is overpowering the previous two short moves, and we get a move up. We get some multiple negative delta coming in, and here the histogram on this down move, the strength is overpowering the strength of this previous long move. See, this histogram right here is higher than the previous histogram. There's a swing point right here. You could wait for a break at the swing point if you wanted to be extra careful. 851, that's over a 15-point drop right there. I've been using this setup all week on my funded accounts, and these are some of the actual trades that I took today. Really enjoying this setup and this combination of the Waddah Attar Explosion and the volume delta on the NINZA Renko 16.4 chart. And I love having these ordering buttons. If I want to get into a market order, I can do it. If the market's going up and I see it's weakening, and I want to take the next short candle, I can hit sell down on my end of bar ordering, and it will get me into a trade on the first down candle. Lots of ways to use these indicators. They work on all time frames. I'm usually not a Renko chart trader, but I've found the Waddah Attar histogram to be very helpful on a Renko chart. The other indicators that I have on this chart are the NINZA market profile daily over here on the right side, and I've just got the standard built-in swings indicator that are included with NinjaTrader. I've only got one threshold enabled on the volume delta, and that's set at positive 150 and negative 150. I do have some different settings on the Waddah Attar Explosion Pro. This is what it's loaded up with, 150 for the sensitivity, and then for the MACD we've got a fast period of 20, slow period of 40. On my settings you can see that I've changed the sensitivity to 120, EMA fast period of 12, smoothing period 9, slow period 26, smoothing period 9, Bollinger period 50, multiplier 2, the Bollinger smoothing period 7. You could take a screenshot of this if you want. I did not change these settings just for this video and this chart type. These are the settings that I have been using for the past 6 months or so with all of my NQ charts. So there might be even better ways to optimize this for the Renko chart, but it's been working good for me on the NQ with the 16.4 NINZA Renko chart. But you might want to further try and optimize these settings for whatever instrument and time frame you are trading. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading from watching this video. Thanks for watching.